traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading. Logging on a couple minutes late this morning. AMD looks like it bounced off this 23.31. I changed up a little bit this morning. I've got the 5-minute showing and just in the 1 minute for what you guys can see. I haven't been using the tick lately, so there's no point in showing it. That was only for the trading like the first minute of the bell. Trying to see what happened at these levels before 23.31. 23.31 held pretty good for a while. When it broke 23.50, last time it broke 23.50 during the normal trading hours, it just rocketed up. Let's see if we get a little pullback to test 23.50 and then maybe we'll jump in. Little battle right now. All right, this is where we want to see it hold. If we're gonna, nope, it did not. It's not really. So 23.50. Kind of holding it down right now, but we're in a. I was thinking about shorting there. My rules say no shorting in an uptrend, and we're in a little slight uptrend right here. So even though that could have been the right play for this time, it's a risk reward for me. Hasn't been the best, so I'm going to wait and see what happens for a little bit longer. Watch what's going on in other stocks. Apple, Nvidia, SPY all going down at the moment. Twitter going down at the moment. We could see a good little bounce off this 23.31 area. It held it up many times in pre-market. But we will have to wait and see. Let's try and hold it. This looks like it's trying to get through now. I almost went long down there. We're long now. Let's see what happens. Where are we long at? 47. Let's get up there past 53 real quick. And then take off. 53.20 or 50 or 20. I can't talk. 23.50. Let's get through it real quick. If we can't get through this, we're in trouble here. Come on now. Yeah, I knew that was a bad entry. Should have been waiting to play it short off 23.50. Dumb. What were you? I gotta get better. Oh God, I just did another dumb one. Right where it should, where it could bounce at, I just got in. So we need, see, good God, I am not playing this well today. I gotta get lucky that it goes ahead and breaks through this one. The play was just shorted at 23.50. That's my plan, and we'd have had all this 20 cents right now. But I made my first bad entry, which prevented me from getting my good entry here. And now we're gonna have to get a little bit lucky. Looking at everything else going up right now, I doubt we're gonna get lucky on this one, but you never know. We do have a gap to fill below. That's the only thing that's down to 22.96. It'd be nice if we could go touch that real quick, then take off for the day. We gotta get through this 23.32 that's been holding up all morning though. Or 31. All right, we're through that. That's nice. We need it to kind of hold up and keep it down now. Then we could reach that closer to that $23 area pretty quick, hopefully. Hold it down, baby. I mean, everything else is ripping in tech. We need you to go. It looks terrible on the 5 minute, and it's downtrending on the 1 minute. So I mean, it's a good trade. It's just not where I wanted. I wanted to get in better risk reward. We're gonna get through 25 here. A bunch of people stacked up. We need to get through 23.25, and we could see our next little kill candle. Here it is. Let's go. Eat it up. Eat it up. Hold it down. 30 cent. 23.30. Hold it down. Push it down. There we go. Yes. Come on, let's go fill that gap real quick, and then we can do whatever you want. Just be a pullback. Hold it down, 30. You're not listening very good. Oh, son of a bitch. This is the tough part right here, because a lot of times this is just a little testy little pullback, and because we got in it's just a shitty price, we have to hold through that with nerves. I mean, we don't know if it's a reversal or just a natural little bear pullback. Bear flag, hopefully. And you know, I messed up because I was down my first trade. Here I am trying to get it all back plus some. I could have locked in $100 profit, or at least locked half of it up, but I was greedy because I'm already down, wanting to go red to green. Come on. Everything's fucking ripping with this. I don't know how we're not out of this trade yet on the longest. You would think this thing would be turning around and ripping with everything else. Not that I want it to. It's got all these upper shadows on these wicks too. It's just really not showing a lot of strength. As soon as I say that, it's going to rip and take me out though. Yeah, we got too many green candles in a row. We need some reds now. Alright, we've seen enough of this green shit. Let's go. Let's get back below 23.31 real quick. Getting all kinds of stock alerts here, and I can't look at them because I'm getting waxed. Here we go. That looked good. Although that just could be a micro pullback for the next little wave up, since it's not really giving us any 1 minute pullbacks. They're all pullbacks within that 1 minute candle. Ah, come the fuck on. Yeah. It's about time to get out, boys and girls. I'll sell here at the top of this push, I'm sure. And then it'll come back down on me. Alright, had to sell. That's two fan-fucking-tastic trades of $120 loss. Got out at 23.46, which is the exact top. Called that one so far. Three trades and I'm out normally, so three losers and I'm out normally, so see if I can get a little pullback here and I'll try to get in long. Second one was a loser because I was greedy because of the bad first one, and the second one was a bad entry. If I had got in where we should have, right here, we'd have definitely taken profit, and we'd, even if we'd have let it come back, we'd still be in the green right now. So mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. Giving it a go. We got a green light here. Looks like a bull flag forming. Of course, now everything else is pulling back a bit, so let's see this rip past 23.50. Make support there and go on a run. we had some news about avoiding the government shutdown, so I kind of expected stocks to run a little bit today. With all right. Down 50. You know, I told you I wanted to wait for a little pullback to get in, and this is about the area with my 21-day moving average. Would have loved. I was thinking about getting here, but this looked like a bull flag forming, and I did not want to miss it. And so by not trading the best price, I'm getting waxed the fucking again. Yo, if you're, let's just take off now. You got your pullback. Let's get another one of these little, 5 straight green candle actions again while I'm in it the right way. Let's make a little red to green move on this. AMD needs to get above 23.45 to get back into the green for the day. I needed to go way up to get back in the green today. About 30 cents real quick. Throw a little trend line out there to help my nerves a bit. Show that we're on an uptrend still. Alright. It's trying to go red to green. We've got a lot of people trying to hold it down here. So if we can get through 45, we should see a pretty good pop. Eat it up. Eat it up. Come on, get through 45. There we go. Man, they're stacked up at 47 too. We got people wanting this thing to go down. Nvidia and SPY just hit new highs today, so hopefully we follow. Let's get through 23.50 now. Bust up 47 here and go to 50. We're not getting any volume. This is terrible volume for this stock. We need about double this volume to start moving. Help me out here. You're driving me crazy. like that last candle though. It fought back. We need to go though. We can't be playing around right here. Everything else is going. I don't understand what the hell the deal is here. It's time to go, man. Catch up to your friends. Let's break through 2350 and go on a ride. See, this is playing with me so much right here. Had we not got in right here, basically, we could have gotten in down here and had a little profit right now. I'd be thinking about locking up half of it because it's been dancing around so much. We're kind of just in a little price channel right now. 10-cent little price channel as well, between 40 and 50. So this one's not really valid anymore. It's more of a sideways channel that we got going on. Whatever one breaks first is going to be the winner. And it did. Almost a little wedge forming. Through here. With this, squeezing that price action together. As soon as I drew it and it breaks it. We want 40 to hold for sure. Come the hell on. All right. Just absolutely fucking murdered today. Just the reason I like to trade this stock is it usually has super movement, but you can see it really has been in this channel all morning. We normally get a solid dollar move on this stock within the first, 30 minutes to an hour almost, but we're just going sideways right now. And that's just driving me crazy. I should just be done right now. We're down 350. And I usually don't like to trade after I've got 3 losses in a row. Alright, so this thing was showing downtrending on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, and I went short. That was my old strategy. However, looking at it, what was stupid about it is I did it right before this area of support here, so I've got to I gotta hope that this thing can break through, which is not looking anywhere close to right now. 40 was holding us with support. Now we need 40 to hold us as resistance, or I'm in big trouble, and I'm just gonna have to take my medicine and be done, because I just don't have it today, it appears. Also, we're in this channel. Where's the middle of this channel at? Right here. Where did I get in at? Well, I got in at the bottom of the damn channel. So, either the channel needs to break. How did I get in at 31? I should have gotten in right 37. That doesn't make sense. No wonder I'm getting crushed on this one. I could have swore I shorted right here, and it got to 31. I don't know, maybe 34 or 5 at worst. Well, I'm gonna let this risk just a little bit more, because let's see if we can make a lower high here. If we can get stopped somewhere around the 45 area and keep going down, that'd be nice. But the way today's going, I'm going to get crunched again on this trade. Apple, Nvidia are starting to downtrend now, so since this one wouldn't follow, it only makes sense that we're going to go on a rip now. We can't get a little ripped down right now, we're definitely in trouble. We need to see the 23.31 area pretty quickly for me to have any kind of confidence in this trade. Because technically, if you look at this, we're still, let's get rid of this one, we're still on an uptrend, technically a small one. Go off this right here. This one makes me feel a little better, at least. I need to break this trend line here. Let's get through there. Let's see some 34s. We're not seeing them. What's bad is at the moment, no matter where if you're in this thing long or short, it's just terribly agonizing at the moment. Get through, there we go. Let's go fill that gap. Tons of people at 30. Trying to hold it up. Getting eaten out pretty quick though. There we go. You know, at this point I'm pretty lucky to be green on the trade after a dumb entry, and I feel like it was a bad fill. You know, part of me just wanted to lock it up in the green there. Consider myself lucky. But the greedy asshole that's lost all this money today so far is holding. Because remember, I've already lost 3 trades. I'm not even supposed to be trading anymore. My rules say you're 3 strikes, you're out. Oh, we're going to count that last one as a foul tip. We need to get lower. We need to get to this 25 area and break it for the good times to start. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this stock the last 2 days. It just doesn't like to make any moves. In the morning, like it made a pretty good one in midday, I think, yesterday. No, yesterday was just chop city the whole day. It was maybe the Friday, I don't know. It made a pretty good down move yesterday at the beginning, but I mean it's not like it normally has some pretty big moves. I guess I really have to adjust my exit strategy with this chop we're getting. Come on now. Good God, SPY's ripping right now. Nvidia's just starting to go back up. Apple's starting to go back up. Twitter just hit high day. So remember when I said that greedy asshole needed to just take his profits down there at the bottom when he was just barely, when he was break even or just barely in the green? He should have listened. Alright. Let's go back down now. Just a little fake out, right? Nope, we're Crush City is what we're in again. Oh, boring ass video, boring ass stock, but it's still kicking my ass. Let's move. Not that way. If we turn around here, we still have technically lower highs and a lower low. So that's just my mind reaching trying to tell me that I'm not in big ass trouble right now, but we're in big ass trouble. Alright, we're done. Locking up a really shitty day of 490 in the hole. It's just, let's look at this bullshit real quick. Between 50 and 32, basically. But 50 and 30, 20-cent little range here. The reason I trade AMD is because it normally has $1 to $1.50 range a day. So I'm gonna get out of here while I still have money. Talk to you guys tomorrow.